Hello and welcome to my Sunday video where I'll demonstrate the pore cleansing tool that I use each week as part of my skincare regimen. So, like I said, I wanted to hop on here and do a demonstration for you. So I've washed and I toned my face, and I'm going to use our Pore Prep solution with the Rodan and Fields here pore cleansing kit. This has become absolutely my new best friend during COVID. So I'm very generous with the amount of Pore Prep solution I put on. And I go ahead and I do one section at a time. And I may not do my whole face on the video, probably edit some of that out. Start off with the lowest setting. This is kind of hard to do on the video and not the mirror. But the reason it's become my new best friend is because I wear a mask all day long, 5 days a week, pretty much 8 hours a day. I wanted to hop on here and tell you about some of the benefits of using the pore cleansing tool. The first thing is I noticed smaller pores on my nose, and I have bumps around my chin area, and using the pore cleansing tool all but eliminated those. So I don't repeat a section. More pore prepping solution when I go here. I speeded this section up just a little bit so you wouldn't get too bored watching me. And it took, 3 or 4 uses to really get proficient at this. And after 4 or 5, it gets super easy. Once I finish using the pore cleansing tool, I go ahead and give my face and neck a very gentle wash. Pat my skin dry, and then I use the Intensive Renewing Serum, which is our retinol product. After that, I apply eye cream and my nightly moisturizer. Disgusting, right? I mean, that's really what you're getting out of your pores, especially here. So again, the benefits I got: 1 was smaller pore size on my nose. 2, this became significantly smoother. What I also wanted to tell you, the crevices and smile lines have also reduced on me. The pore cleansing heads are very easy. They snap in and snap out. So here's a picture about 10-15 minutes after using the pore cleansing tool. As you can see, all the redness is gone. Hey, thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.